Okie dokie. I'm gonna try and do a vlog of a whole fishing morning. Let's do this. Morning fishing in Fiji. Start with a brocker. Alright, made it out. Time for first castings. Oh, beautiful. Let's do it. So I'm 2 casts in. I'm gonna head over there. But I just realized I forgot my string. So if I get fish, gotta think of something. Alright, so what I'm thinking of doing, made it out to the out of it. I'm gonna do a time lapse of all my casts until I catch a fish. So I'll see you then. Alright, I'm going to start videoing now because I reckon this corner leading to the outer reef is going to produce something. Wish me luck. Oh, right there. This is dead set the video that I just started. Right there. Oh, am I glad I got that on video. Alright, so I got the system set up. Hopefully you can see that. A snap. I'm going to snap it to just my bum bag. Hopefully this is strong enough. It should be, this line. Oh no, I lost the snap. Alright, looks like I'm tying it and cutting it every time. Okay, same corner. Let's do it. Yee-hoo! Come on. Man, I caught that one in so close. Oh no, busted off. Oh, took it right on the edge there. Oh, I got nothing. No! Oh, you gotta love fishing though. Alright, done. Didn't take too long. Cast the same spot. I'm on my last docky now because I made them up yesterday, but I didn't replace the ones in my bum bag. So, as Andrew would say, a job done scrubber's way is a job half done. I just gotta hope they don't take it on the edge like that again. Could be it for this little corner. I might have missed my opportunity. Oh no, I haven't. Oh, get it up! Get up! No, I think he's scraping. Get up! Get up! No, he's on the surface, I think. I think he's on the surface. Fighting pretty well. I don't think he's massive. Woo! I got him up. Just. He took it right on the edge as well. Oh no, he's not bad. He's not bad. No! Oh, mackerel! He's still there. No! He was a mackerel. Oh, and there he goes. Oh, could have been mackerel snacks. Oh, there we go. Little sunga. All the way up again. Not too shabby for this little corner. All right, same corner. I reckon you can't leave it when it's producing this many fish. I really want... Oh, I got a tip wrap. Oh, I really want one of those mackerel, but I think I might have missed my opportunity. I saw something just before jump straight out from this corner, so, and it was a fair way out. Hopefully I can hook one, not right on the edge of the reef. And I'm half a chance. Got my drag locked up, my muscles ready to go. Little surprised I didn't get any more. And I did fish that outer reef for a fair while, but nothing. Not even a touch, and I got some good casts in because the gap between, oh, something big out there. The gap between waves is perfect. Oh, here we go. No, there we go. Please be a mackerel. Nah, it's a sunga. Oh, ripped him out of the water. I'm trying to muscle him up because I'm on my last set of gear and I do not want to get busted up. Oh, it is a mackerel. It is a mackerel. That's why it's leaping. I thought I ripped it out of the water. Ho-ho! Mackerel snacks. It's a smaller one. I had a massive one hooked on before. Not massive, but enough bigger than this. Oh no, 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 no. Don't you get off and swim away. I hope I videoed. Am I videoing? No way. Oh, thank God I am. All right. Oh, big bust up out there. Oh, right as I start the video. It probably won't be on there. It was all the way out. You probably can't see it. Feels fishy. I like it. Oh, you know what I just realized? So there's a new fish and chip shop. What's it, like a pop-up thing just up the road from us, and I've been wanting to try it. $6.50 for fish and chips, but like you wouldn't trust the fish, right? It's in Fiji, a random pop-up thing. I was like, damn it. But now I've got mackerel, the best freaking fried fish you can get. Woo! It's gonna be mackerel snacks and chips tonight. Good stuff.